Indian government is set to release GDP data for the last quarter of 2023, which is expected to come in at 6.9%. This shows a lag in consumption growth compared to quarter 3 of 2023. My colleague Anisha Jain is joining us with more details about it. Anisha, good morning. Take it away.
Well, yes, we are waiting back for the Q4 GDP, and most likely there will be a bit of a slowdown as far as the headline GDP number is concerned. The street is expecting anywhere between 6.7 to 6.9 kind of number. Yes, on Q3, this number had come closer to 7.6%, so there will be a bit of a slowdown as compared to the last quarter. But if you look at it on a year-on-year basis, last year this time around, we had seen a growth of 4.5%, so at least better than that. In terms of the reasons why we are expecting a bit of a slowdown, well, the state-led capex, which had been pushing the investments higher and supporting the GDP growth, is expected to slow down in the quarter gone by, and that's the reason we are expecting a bit of a slowdown there. And secondly, if you look at the other internals as well, the basic utility sectors, construction and public spending, these are the segments which might have slowed down a bit. What has managed to see a robust performance is clearly agriculture, so good growth continues there. We are also expecting double-digit growth to happen in the manufacturing sector and a steady performance to come by from the financial services segment, and as a whole this would mean that there is a growth of almost 6.5 to 7% broadly speaking as far as the GDP estimates is concerned. Domestically speaking, the demand has been good, but a lot of focus will also be whether the export demand is coming up or not, because that was something that had come down. In fact, contribution of net exports to GDP was a bit of a drag in the last few readings. Let's see whether that continues or not, but overall there is going to be a bit of a slowdown from around 7.6% growth rate that we saw in Q3. It's expected to come down to 6.7, 6.8, but let's see what we deliver.
Well, thanks, Anisha. Time for